All righty, the view from our Stock Bank Tower cam, well, glare there a little bit, but at least we know, hey, that sunshine is out there, and it is a delightful, well, feeling a bit like summer evening out there. And good afternoon, everyone. Nice to have you on board, and wind is going to be the story. Later on tonight, those winds will pick up, and they're really going to be howling around here tomorrow, and it's sustained from 20 to as high as 45 miles per hour, with gusts perhaps as high as 75 miles per hour as you get near the Rocky Mountain front. Could see gusts up to 60 here in Great Falls and up into the 40s to around 50, perhaps a little higher even in Helena. So please keep that in mind later tonight and right on through tomorrow. Also the high line, you're going to be seeing some very windy conditions as well, but just a few clouds earlier today. Then we had plenty of sunshine. There you see a little bit of activity here, the northern chimney of Idaho there. We could see a shower around here early tomorrow as that system moves towards us. 79, man. Woo, I'm loving this anyway. 79 in Great Falls, 86 in Helena because we know it's right around the corner. 84 in Lewistown. Look at Glasgow, 86, and 81 over there in Missoula, getting down to the 40s and 50s for overnight lows. Wind's a little busy now, but man, I'm telling you, they're really going to be picking up later tonight and especially during the day tomorrow. And the Santa Ana wind's blowing. Southern California, toasty. The Santa Ana winds, they act just like a Chinook. The air is compressed. And by the laws of physics, things have really got to heat up. I see it on some national news. They're going, oh my, the heat in Southern California. Climatologically, you usually see the Santa Ana winds, those at offshore flow in October. So 89 there in Los Angeles, really not out of the ordinary for this time of year. Look at this, cooler, much cooler back east. Beantown only at 54 degrees. Memphis at 68. 66 in Atlanta. We're doing a whole lot better than that. And there you see not a whole lot of precipitation going on. Here's the next event, though, right here. You see that precipitation. That's associated with a trough that's heading in our direction. Going to get here later tonight. And this is really going to, this got some pretty good energy, and it's really going to kick up those winds as it moves on through later tonight. Warm today underneath this ridge. This ripple of energy will move on by tomorrow, and the front end of the cool air as it moves on by, the winds will pick up, and behind the front it'll be really windy. I can't emphasize that enough for later tonight and tomorrow. So please take the necessary precautions. And for the rest of the week, though, once that trough gets on out of here tomorrow, the jet stream will basically be in a flat flow, little bit of a ridge. That's going to keep things very, very nice. And there you see some of that precipitation associated with that trough. On the other side of the divide, they'll see some showers, but we're going to have a downslope, so that usually quells the precipitation, but we still could see a couple of showers around here early tomorrow. Later in the day, it gets nice, except it's going to be windy, and Monday, those winds will subside somewhat, and things looking good for much of the work week. Winds pick up tonight, 40s to around 50 for overnight lows. And then for tomorrow, very windy, temps in the 50s to the mid-60s. Rocky Mountain front winds really pick up later tonight. Temps in the 40s to low 50s. Windy tomorrow. Could see gusts up to 75 miles per hour. 50s and 60s. Highline winds will pick up later tonight. Low 50s. Tomorrow, very windy. Temperatures in the 60s, and then the 7-day forecast, yes, windy tomorrow, low to mid 60s here in Great Falls. And Monday, we go back to work, winds subside, nice day, lower 70s, upper 60s on Tuesday. And look at this forecast, Taylor. I'm thinking this is pretty nice, huh?
I can handle that, yeah. It's looking good.
Getting some nice autumn mild weather for the rest of the work week, and it looks like we stay rain free. But you know, tomorrow, man, I might have to buy a new can of hairspray because
I am not going outside with this hair tomorrow. No way.
But yeah, but anyway, yeah. On a serious note, though, you know, it might be a good idea to secure some items and stuff because it's going to be really windy.
Absolutely. All right. Well, thank you so much for that, Ted. And coming up after the break.